Hi all. Just a quick update. I got the results back on the tests that they were doing. It was all good news, all really good news. They said that the heart was fine. It left and right ventricles were working like they were supposed to, and the heart wasn't starving for blood or oxygen. They said it was absolutely normal. I asked him, I said, how come it doesn't, it also said that there was no evidence of any heart attack. I said, well, what was it, in 2015, I guess? Something like that. I had a heart attack, they said. They were going to air vac me down to the valley and all that stuff, made a big deal about it. And, it was diagnosed as a heart attack. I asked him about it, and he said, we're finding out that there's been multiple studies that the heart will repair itself. If there's not a lot of damage, it will repair itself. He said that's obviously what's happened. So I couldn't be happier about that. They were going to do the what was it? They're going to do the scan on my legs and all that stuff. Insurance won't approve that because it was denied because they said it wasn't necessary. So, but they did do the. I apologize. I am terrible with remembering names. Where they goop you all up and they put that thing on your chest, and they rub it all around, whatever that's called. So anyway, the echo test, that came back absolutely normal. Everything's fine. So great. So I just got one appointment left, and that's last part of July, and hopefully by August 6th or 7th or so, I'll be back out on the mountain. I'm really looking forward to that. So, but this is just a quick update on that. There'll be a live stream tonight, normal time, 5 o'clock my time, 5 o'clock, whatever that is, 5 o'clock in Arizona. We don't change our clock, so I tend not to remember all the other time zones. So, okay, that's it. I'll talk to you later on this evening. Bye.